Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to permanently delete your AOL mail account using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open your AOL mail application on your device. Once you're inside the home page, click on the AOL logo at the top left corner. Click on Manage Accounts option and click on Account Info under your name. After selecting the account you would like to delete, tap on Delete Account button at the bottom. You will need to unlock your phone by entering the passcode to reach to the next page. Now, you will need to sign into your AOL account since you will be redirected to a web browser. Type in your email, username or phone number, tap Next, and log into your AOL mail account. Now tap on Continue Delete My Account at the bottom and then enter your email address. Now after you are done entering the email, click on Yes, delete this account. After you do that, you will then be able to delete your AOL account permanently. Once you close your account, you will lose access to all of your data, including emails and email folders. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.